Students, in this video I am going to explain question number 16 of exercise 12.1. The question is, present age of father is 42 years and that of his son is 14 years. Then find the ratio of the following. See, first we understand that what we are given. In this question we are given that present age of father is 42 years and present age of son is 14 years, right? Then in the first part, we are asked to find out the ratio of present age of father to the present age of son. So the ratio of present age of father to the present age of son will be 42 by 14. Now 42 and 14 both are divisible by the same number, that is 14. 14 ones are 14 and 14 threes are 42. Hence the required ratio of the present age will be 3:1. Then in the second part, we are asked to find out the ratio of age of the father to the age of son when son was 12 years old. See, when son was 12 years old, we need to go 2 years back, right? Because present age of son is 14. And when he was 12, the father's age will be 42 minus 2, right? That is 40 years. Hence the ratio of the father's age to the son's age when son was 12 years old will be 40 by 12. 40 by 12. Now 40 and 12 both are divisible by the number 4. So if we divide numerator by 4, what we will get? 4 tens are 40. And if we divide the denominator 12 by 4, we get 4 threes are 12. Hence the required ratio is 10:3. Now in third part, we are asked to find out the ratio of age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years. See, the present age of father is 42 years. After 10 years, the father age will be 42 plus 10, that is 52 years. Similarly, the present age of son is 14 years. After 10 years, the son's age will be 14 plus 10, that is 24 years. So what will be the ratio of their ages after 10 years? It will be 52 by 24, right? 52 by 24. Now reduce this fraction, or we can say that reduce this ratio to its lowest term. Now 52 and 24, both number are divisible by 4. So if you divide 52 by 4, you will get 13 in the numerator. And when you divide 24 by 4, you will get 6 in the denominator. Hence, the required ratio is 13:6. And now the last part. In the last part, we are asked to find out the ratio of age of father to the age of son when father was 30 years old. See, when father was 30 years old, what will be the age of son? To find out the age of son, we need to go 12 years back, because present age of father is 42. And when father was 30 years old, the son age will be 14 minus 12, that is 2 years, right? And now here we have to find out the ratio of their ages when father was 30 years old. So when father was 30 years old, the son was 2 years old. So the ratio will be 30 by 2. 30 by 2 means 15 by 1. Hence the required ratio is 15:1.